Solar Part 1 Case File is scheduled for a theatrical release on 22 December 2023. It will be released in Telugu along with a dubbed version of Kannada, Hindi, Tamil and Malayalam languages. Solar announcement release date December 22, 2023. Most awaited movie coming too soon. Everybody waiting for this movie. Thank you for watching. God bless you.